Recently, I come across unlimited gradient pack for Photoshop user, and I decided to share it with you guys designer. Whether you are a photo editor or you are a graphic designer, provided that you are using Photoshop and you want to have access to different kind of gradient pack, just drag and drop without any stress in Photoshop. Let me show you how to download some of this gradient pack right here for free on a particular website. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then after you open up your browser, proceed to this particular website right here, myphotoshopbrushes.com. And then once you get to this site, it's going to take you right here. You can see free Photoshop resource right here. There are a lot of things you can get for free right here. You want to make sure you scroll down all the way down from the bottom on this site right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to styles and gradient right here. Go ahead and click on styles and gradient. And it's going to take you right here. You can see free styles and gradient pack right here, which is available in ASL and GRD format. Install with single double click, and then you are good to go. And you can start to explore different gradients preset in Photoshop. So for that, simply scroll down right here, and you have different types of gradient packet right here, such as you can see this is good preset right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different gradients. Then you can go ahead and click on page 2 right here. This will take you to another set of gradients as the case may be. The more you scroll down, the more you see different gradients right here. Let's go ahead and get the gold one. I'm going to simply go back right here. And then I want to get this particular gold preset right here. Simply click on anyone you want to get right here. Check on the preview, and then you have different kind of gold preset right here. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see things about that particular gradient. Now, how can you download it? Simply click on free download right here. Click on free download, and in a few seconds your download folder is going to prepare just like so. Then go ahead and click on save, and you are done. You can go on and download as many as possible free gradient preset right here from this particular website. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial and the free resource website in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial about free resource like this for PSD file, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.